Right, good afternoon guys. I've got a request from Mark Dallison for Cash Explosion. I've not played this one in ages, but used to play it quite a bit down Cleethorpes back in the day. So let's give it a go. So it's set at 10p play. £4 jackpot. Now I don't know if it's cash or tokens. Hold on a minute, it is tokens, okay. I do owe Mark Dallison and Martin Peters an apology for a bit of confusion last week. I think I was tagging the wrong people, different things, but I do apologise to the pair of you, fellow YouTubers. Okay, what we got here? I had a little go earlier on, putting loads in it and messing it up, so hopefully now it might do something. Oh, that's a bad number, that, isn't it? Skill cash. Okay. What's that? Oh, what a bad number. Oh, okay then. No, that's not bad. So they put a bit in it. So yeah, recording at the right time here. But okay, is that £8? Right, I'll check some features as well. Put a bit of variety in this video. There's not many features as you can tell. So yeah. Step to nearest win. Well, obviously that's cherries, isn't it? Okay, so I'll lose that. Okay. Stop a match. Go on, let's check it. £50p. Oh. Oh, bugger. Step to nearest win. Now what is it? So I'll take that. Okay. Ah, I should have used the bloody space bar. I was using a mouse. Get that again, I'm going to use the space bar. Two nudges. 20p. Nah, let's go higher. 50p. Ah, because I was going to take that. Okay. Or do I go for the big Big money again. Go on, I'll try it. Ah, I should have took the skill cash. That's me being greedy. Okay. Let's check the tokens out. So that's what it will be. Is it? I don't know, but I'll bang them in anyway. I'm sure the two big monies I got was the £8, was it? Oh no, it won. Apologies, it's £2. Alright, so it was cash I won there. Okay. Cash pot. So that's £2. Okay. Yeah, I thought that was a jackpot, it's not. It's £2 plus repeat chance. Okay, I know that now. Like I say, it's been a long time. I mean, I played it earlier on, filling this up by just messing it up, not doing out. But playing it for real, Gordon Bennett. Way in the 80s. I mean, there was a lot of arcades did have this machine. Even pubs. So if you want tokens out of it, you could... I wasn't old enough, but if you want tokens, you could trade it in a bar for pints. Well, I can't lose on that, can I? All that. Right, we'll try again. Gonna use the space bar this time. Probably still balls it up. Well, it just don't work. Space bar's the start button, isn't it? Oh, come on. No. I think that was a jackpot. £4, if I'm not wrong. You know, I'm still semi-novice at this. I say it's been a long time. Doo-doo. Okay. Okay. That's 20p on nudges then, so I take the cash pot if I want, which is, sure that's 20p's, is it? Yeah, it will be. No, I've not had that one. Well, bugger it, I'll go for it. No. Okay. Nine. It's pretty generous with the numbers. A lot of the machines, you go on 4, you lose. Okay. I don't think I'm doing too bad on this, but I just don't know what I've won. Weird bank system on the left here, not like your dial thing they say what you've won. Sorry, display. Eight. Rubbish. Not surprised really, but there you go. Thought I'd try it. Okay, let's put some more money in and let's put another £5 in it. Doo-doo. Yeah. There we go. Oh, what a terrible number. Ah, missed it that time. Okay. Keep pressing the keyboard and it's not that button. Come on. Number. That's not bad. Let's set the cash pot. There you go, I've emptied the cash pot. Still don't know what I've roughly got in the bank. That's 6. Looking at that, 8 quid in it. Yeah, I say 8 quid. Now how much of it's fake cash and how much of it's fake tokens? Right, 3 nudges, 20p. Yeah. Go on, so another 50 goes. That'll be it. I'm still sort of like wondering what I'm doing on this. Like, what am I winning? But I must admit, on the high low thing, it's pretty generous, you know, when you gamble on it. So I mean, but some machines you get 3 and it always gives you a ruddy 1 or a 2. And I forgot to hold that too. Too busy yapping. Cash pot. That's 80p in it. Okay. Quid. What's that say? Best win from nudges. And now we've got bugger all. Eight. Where's my mouse gone? Oh, my mouse has died, that's all I bloody need. No, it hasn't. I think what I did last time when I collected that thing, I pressed the wrong one, I meant for that one, so... It's 3 times land on that now. All the banks collecting, so that's over a tenner. What about that? I don't know, I'm not even going to bother asking. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I mean, I played it earlier on, but I was just messing it up, not really concentrating much on it. But now I'm filming, I'm like, well, what do I do? And it's like, so hopefully, you know, done enough for you to enjoy it, especially you, Mark, for requesting it, and thank you for that. So shout out to you. So I'm going to finish these credits off. I will be doing I've got another couple of requests, so I'll be doing that over the next few days. So keep an eye out for that, and I'll do a few of my own. Go on then. Yeah, that's me, I was too late there. So that's Cash Explosion by, I can't remember who it's off. I can't check now because I'll cut this video off. But anyway, thanks for requesting it, Mark. If you've got any more, mate, do let me know. To be honest with you, that's about it. So if anyone out there has got a request for any MFME games, and I've got it, unfortunately I got asked recently and I ain't got it, but I think Stephen, sorry about that, mate. But if you've got anything else you want me to play and I've got it, I will play it for you. Same with MFME and same on my own fruit machines. But anyway, I'll leave it at that. I'll say thank you for watching, and I'll watch you all on the next video. Thank you for watching for now, and good night.